This is a 5-minute waist workout, works your abs, your waist, your core, all standing in a small space. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here's a preview of the first move. Just have a quick look. This is what we're going to start with. This one, we're just sliding your hand. You're going from one side to the other. This is amazing to work into the waist. So standing in your small space, have your feet hip width distance apart, tummy is tight, knees slightly bent, arms down to your sides, and now go from one side to the other. So just imagine you're trying to slide your hand down as far down to your knee, then you go to the other side. And you can just see where those arrows are pointing. That's the area that we're working. And we're going to do this for a duration of 30 seconds. So let's just keep going. And then you can see your next move coming up. We're going to do this exercise where we're just going to draw your knee up and your arm down. So take one arm up, have your knee in, and then draw them in to meet in the center. So again, now you can see we're just working specifically more on one side. Again, you're just doing this for 30 seconds. Draw that knee up and arms come in. And that's where you're just really activating those muscles through the waist. So you can see your next move coming up. We're going to do exactly the same, but on the opposite side. So let's just come around, arm up, and then just draw that knee up. So the knee's coming out at a slight angle. And again, you can just see here where you're working. Each move we're just doing for 30 seconds, and these are going to really help work through the waist, and these standing ab exercises are really, really good to build a stronger core. So for your next move, we're just going to come back. So we've got the feet hip width distance apart, knees bent, take your hands together. Just imagine now you're just paddling. You're going from side to side. Keep the hips still, and this is working your entire abs now, so working your core as well as through the waist, just going from side to side, and keep those tummy muscles tight. And the tummy muscles are working because they're helping with your stability as you're moving your arms fast from side to side. So for your next move, take your arms up, and now just rotate your upper body. Again, important, keep those hips nice and still for me. And again, this is working through the core, through your obliques. Just 30 seconds each move. That's good. And really feel that through the waist. Take your arms around as far as you can. And so you can see now we're back to the beginning. So we're going to repeat those 5 moves again. So let's get ready, feet hip width distance apart. And now just push one arm down and just try and get those hands as far down on the outside of the leg as you can. So that's really working through those internal and external obliques through your waist. Each time try and go a little bit further. Then you can see your next move coming up. So you're taking that leg out, now draw that knee up and draw the arm down at the same time and really crunch into that. Feel that working through your waist. And this one now just working a little bit more through that side. And this is how you get those lovely curves, those real shapes. But more importantly, how you get a stronger core. And again, said you can do this in a small space. So let's just turn that round now. Take that to the other side, arm up, and just draw that in. So it's like you're trying to get your elbow to draw in as the knee comes up. Just working into that waist, working on the other side. And these exercises are really easy to do. They're what I call exercise snacks. And you could do this even in your pajamas. So you could do it before bed, first thing in the morning. It's just a quick way to really have a quick little workout for your abs and waist. So next move, knees are bent. And now just imagine you go as fast as you can from side to side, but really focus on keeping those tummy muscles pulled in really tight for me. Feel that working through those ab muscles. That's good. Keeping that focused, and it's by moving your arms fast from side to side is how we're having to use your abdominal muscles and oblique muscles as stabilization muscles. That's how we really strengthen them. Right, next move, arms up, and now just go from side to side. Really focus on keeping your hips really still for me. Knees are slightly bent, tummy is tight. Last little bit. Let's just keep going. And equally reach it around as far as you can each time. That's how you're going to really feel that through those waist muscles. Doing really well. Just 5 minutes, easy exercise that you could do this every single day to get that stronger core. Okay, well done. That is your 5-minute waist, abs and core workout done. Now, if you want to do any more of my 5-minute small space workouts, there's a playlist there. If you're finished today, if you want to do a cool down stretch, you'll find that as always in the description down below. Well done. There is your high five, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.